Think your small cloakroom can't be stylish? Think again. With just a few affordable design hacks, you can create a high-end look without the high-end price. Let's dive into some of the best budget-friendly cloakroom ideas you'll absolutely love. Ditch boring walls. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer for small cloakrooms. It's easy to apply, budget-friendly, and comes in endless styles from geometric patterns to elegant florals. The best part? You can switch it up anytime. When space is limited, floating shelves are your best friend. They provide extra storage without making the room feel cluttered. Use them for neatly stacked towels, candles, and greenery to keep things organized and stylish. Forget expensive vanities. A repurposed vintage dresser or a simple wall-mounted plank can give your cloakroom a unique and elegant look without breaking the bank. Just add a stylish basin and a modern faucet to complete the look. A large mirror is a simple trick to make small spaces feel bigger and brighter. Look for an affordable, second-hand mirror or choose a gold or black frame design for a luxurious touch. Lighting can transform any space. Soft LED sconces or a chic pendant. Lights can add warmth and elegance. The key? Choose warm lighting to make your cloakroom feel inviting and cozy. Who says small spaces can't be stunning? With these budget-friendly ideas, your cloakroom will be stylish, functional, and Instagram-worthy. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite design idea.